Evening, everybody. Lucky with Big League. So we got another family break going. I got the executive assistant on the right and the CEO on the left. We're gonna get into a hobby box. I didn't go with the jumbo, only because I don't think I've ever bought a jumbo of anything. But it looks like that would have kind of been the way to go. That's what people are saying on the vids today. But we'll see how we do with this hobby box. We'll put the silver pack out there. Let the executive assistant do that. So we're out of the shop. I didn't do the kitchen area, so sound light may be a little bit different. Hopefully it comes through broadcast all right. So hobby, let's see, does it say how many packs here? 24 packs, 14 cards per pack. Anybody want to do the math on that? Total cards, 14 times 24? Anybody? So we got, there's 24 packs, so there's 8 packs per each person. Put our pop-up back here just to make it look cool. Is that going in there right? No, I can't get that to go in there right. Oh well. All right, let's pick your packs. I'll take these ones in front of me. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to count. So Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez, obviously Vladimir Guerrero. We're looking for that short print. Number of variations in the set too. So the variation list came out today, and there's a lot of variations in this set. So looking to get our hands on some of those. So I'll be a little bit more. I'll probably run through this at the end. I'll check some serial numbers and stuff like that, so I don't bore everybody to death. But there's a nice rookie cup, Adames. I'll do my best to keep my stacks going. And what I believe are short prints, I'll put on the other side. And then they flip and they go horizontal. There's Mark McGwire All-Star. That's pretty cool. Phil Holes, gonna be his last year, I guess. And I don't do many disrespect when I call him that. He's a great player, Hall of Famer. It's got a neat, nice green background too. That's kind of cool. All right, sorry. Trying to get in the groove here. It just feels weird doing this out here. The light's way different. I'm on this glass table. Kind of interesting. Slater, Renfroe. There's a Framber Valdez. Actually had a really good outing the other night for the Astros. Marisnik. Solid player. Does a lot of things well. And he improved his hitting this year. Alfaro, 150th rookie cup. That's nice. Tyler White. He hit a home run the other day. Finally. I think his designated hitting career is over, though, with Yordan Alvarez coming up. And the good news with 3 people opening, it'll save a lot of the static time. You won't get the thrill of maybe seeing a really cool card open on camera, but oh well. Mark McGwire, 150th moment. There's a black Castro, 267. Nice. You guys are quiet.
Concentrating.
Concentrating. Careful. Jeez, be careful. My goodness. There you go, Carlos Santana. I think that's some variation. So I'll put those in a stack here and I'll double check the numbers. Here's the Gary Reeves, Top Enterprises. Here's the Shohei Rookie Cup. Very cool. Photography is great again. I think that over the past couple years, Topps has done outstanding. I mean, the Chrome cards look cool, but for you know, just the Series 1 and 2 products, I think the photography is outstanding. Gelato. Nice Altuve All-Star. David Peralta, it's a variation there. No Astros game tonight, so that's why we're getting everybody involved. Bird. Verdugo Future Stars. Felix. Rosario Future Stars. I haven't got any gold out of here. Hope you guys are getting some. Tracker Pose. Cooney and Albie, that's cool. Oh, there we go, there's a gold. Rookie of Hill. Tim Hill. Yeah, it's weird being out here. Feels funny. Morales. Pilar. Gonzalez. Sean Newcomb. Nice. Roger Maris. Iconic card. Face of the franchise. Alvaro Perez, George Brett, Bo Jackson. Future Stars Kingery. So I'm gonna put this guy up here. All right. Last packs. And then we'll go through our stacks, see what we got. Chris Davis. So these are barrels. What does that say? Barrels. Nickname? I'm not sure what that is. Voight, Castro. I ain't got me too many rainbow foils over here either. She's opening the silver pack. All right, so we're gonna pause the video. We're gonna get these together real quick, and we'll do a quick rundown. All right, guys, here we go. Quick recap. So silver packs, 84 silver packs, rookie Nick Martini, Rowdy Tellez, the big dude, Cole Stewart, and Josh Big Flames James. We'll go through this here. So make sure autofocus is on. 150th Mark McGwire, 150th Sandy Koufax. Our 84 inserts, Lindor All-Star, Javier Baez All-Star, Nate Martini Rookie, Mark McGwire All-Star, Jose Altuve All-Star, Chris Sale All-Star. Got a blue Tom Glavine. The blues aren't numbered. Iconic cards, Derek Jeter, Roger Maris, Harmon Killebrew. And then we got, set those over there, Rainbow Foils, Jacoby Jones, Chris Shaw Rookie, Brock Holt, and gold parallels, so Rookie Cup Gold, Ryan Yarbrough. I didn't know they made the team cards in gold, but anyway, Arizona Diamondbacks Gold. Tim Hill Rookie Gold, Francisco Gold. We got a black of Starlin Castro. And then there's the insert there. I thought it's a cool card though. The Albies Acuna card. And then there's the in the Japanese writing, kind of the future card of Otani and Trout. And then we'll get into the rookies. The bigger names here. So we pulled Eloy, Kikuchi. So our auto was Adolis Garcia. I gotta be honest, I don't know much about that guy. There's the Alonso, Tatis Jr., Vlad Guerrero, short print, no number, and then a short print of Edgar Martinez. So all in all, good box. Nothing, not a whole lot of color that I noticed. Other than obviously the gold and the blacks, but nothing purple or anything like that. But hit on the big rookies. So I think you have to overall judge that a success. But it was fun getting the family together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the break. Make sure you subscribe down here in the right corner. Click the Big League logo, and you guys have a nice evening. Respect the hobby. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.